Do you ever wonder how much energy you use daily and how you can reduce it? As the cost of energy continues to climb, so does our awareness of our environmental responsibility. The race is on to reduce our energy consumption footprint, and for many organizations and homeowners, the primary goal has become energy conservation. Imagine being able to design and create your own smart energy-saving system, a system that optimizes electricity use and minimizes costs. This isn't just a novel idea but a practical, achievable goal that can have a significant impact on our daily lives. By harnessing the power of technology, we can create a more sustainable future, where energy is used efficiently and waste is minimized. So, let's delve into this journey of energy conservation, exploring the steps towards creating a personal, smart energy-saving system. It's time to take control of your energy consumption and make a positive impact on both your wallet and the environment. The first step in creating a smart energy-saving system is understanding your energy consumption. To do this, we install energy meters to monitor the use of electricity in your home. These meters work tirelessly, collecting data over a specific period, and yes, they are quite the workaholics. But why do we need all this data? Well, this data helps us to identify when and where energy consumption peaks. For instance, we could find that energy usage spikes in the evenings when everyone is home, or perhaps on weekends when the kids are playing video games for hours on end. Now let's talk about modern energy meters. They're not just your average meters, they're like the superheroes of energy meters, providing real-time data and even connecting to your home network. This means you can see exactly how much energy you're using at any given moment, right from your smartphone or computer. Cool, right? But it doesn't stop there. This real-time data helps us to find potential areas for optimization. Maybe we discover that a lot of energy is being used by appliances left on standby, or perhaps the heating is running more than necessary. Once we've identified these areas, we can start to make changes and see immediate improvements in energy efficiency. Knowledge is power, and understanding your energy use is the first step towards conservation. Now that you've got a handle on your energy use, it's time to introduce smart devices into the equation. These devices are the next big step in energy conservation. Let's talk about smart sockets first. These devices can automatically control and regulate the energy consumption of any appliance plugged into them. Imagine your coffee maker switching off automatically when your coffee is ready, or your gaming console going into energy-saving mode when you're not using it. Then we have smart switches. These are like regular light switches, but with an added layer of intelligence. They can be programmed to turn off at certain times or when no one is in the room, making sure no energy is wasted. Moving on, we have smart thermostats. These devices can learn your schedule and adjust the temperature of your home accordingly, ensuring optimal energy usage. Imagine walking into a warm home in the winter, knowing that the heating system was switched on just before you arrived. And the best part? Most of these devices can integrate with your home automation system or work via Wi-Fi, allowing you to control them remotely. You could be halfway across the world and still be able to switch off that light you accidentally left on. With smart devices, you can automate energy-saving practices and take a hands-off approach to conservation. Now, isn't that smart? Taking energy conservation to the next level involves utilizing algorithms and artificial intelligence. But how does this work? Well, let's break it down. Machine learning algorithms are like the brains of the operation. They take in vast amounts of data about energy consumption and crunch the numbers to find patterns and trends. These algorithms can then use these insights to make smart decisions about how and when to use energy. For example, they can automatically manage lighting based on the time of day or occupancy, regulate temperature according to weather patterns, or even optimize the use of electrical appliances based on your daily routine. This means that energy is only used when and where it's needed most, leading to significant savings. But it doesn't stop there. Artificial intelligence takes this concept a step further. An AI-powered system doesn't just make decisions based on existing data, it learns from every decision it makes. This means the system is continually improving, becoming more efficient and more effective at reducing energy consumption over time. So you see, artificial intelligence isn't just for sci-fi movies, it's a real-world solution for optimizing energy use, and it's becoming an increasingly important tool in our efforts to conserve energy and protect our planet. With AI, we're not just predicting the future, we're building it. Artificial intelligence isn't just for sci-fi movies, it's a real-world solution for optimizing energy use. The final step in creating a smart, energy-saving system is ongoing monitoring and analysis. At this stage, your system should be providing detailed, real-time information about your energy consumption. This visibility into your energy usage is invaluable. It not only reveals the immediate impact of the energy-saving measures you've implemented, but it also highlights areas where additional efficiencies might be gained. Analyzing this data is key. It's not enough just to collect it. By scrutinizing your energy consumption patterns, you can understand when and where you're using the most energy and identify opportunities for further savings. Just like a coach reviewing a game tape, you can see the results of your efforts, identify where you've scored big and where you've missed the mark. This allows you to make adjustments and continually refine your approach to conservation. By monitoring your energy usage, you can continually refine your approach to conservation and see tangible results. Creating a smart energy-saving system is a significant step towards reducing your energy expenditure and making your home more energy efficient. Remember, this journey starts with analyzing energy consumption, implementing smart devices, utilizing artificial intelligence, and consistently monitoring and analyzing energy use. Tailoring this process to your home and family needs is crucial. Now it's your turn to take action. Start implementing these strategies today and contribute to a greener future while saving on your energy bills. Remember, every small step counts.